Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Mazda key fob. You're going to need one of the 2025 batteries, as well as a small flat tip screwdriver. This is a 1.5, and there's links in the description below to each of those items. On the back here, there's a little latch. You want to push this way and slide your mechanical key out. When you have your mechanical key out, you're going to want to work these sides like this. And then I like to go under here and finish that up. This cover right here can either be pulled up with the screwdriver or your fingernail. Now you've got access to your battery. Pop that out. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing outward. Clip that back on there. Clip this back together. And you can test right here. Make sure you've got your red light working. And that's it. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.